Baking with Ashley and Naomi.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make
Peppermint chocolate cupcakes with a vanilla frosting
and a chocolate marbled cranberry and almond bark.
Let's get started! So first you're going to take a medium-sized bowl and add the dry ingredients to it.
First you're going to add cocoa powder
And regular flour.
and then some salt, baking powder, and baking soda. And mix it all together
Until they're combined. We're going to put water in a pot on high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it is fully boiled, you can put your bowl on top and turn it down to low and add your butter and chocolate to combine them.
Add your butter to the bowl to melt it. The butter is almost melted. You add your chocolate chips and then melt them together until it's smooth. Now that your mixture is fully combined, you can set it aside to cool. In a large bowl, you're going to whisk together 2 large eggs,
Brown sugar,
and white sugar. Now with your melted butter and chocolate mixture, you're going to combine that to the wet ingredients and whisk together. And then you're going to add half of the dry ingredients to that.
and add half of your buttermilk and peppermint extract.
And you're going to whisk that all together, and then after that's mixed together, you're going to repeat the process.
You know I need you. Oh, coming home. I gotta have you. You know I need you. Oh, love.
Make sure not to overmix your batter.
And ensure that you scrape down the sides so that all your ingredients are incorporated in your mixture.
And the consistency should be of pudding.
Alright, so you take your mini candy canes and put them in a Ziploc bag. Make sure all the air is out of it. And then you can take a hammer and crush them into little tiny pieces. Then you're going to take your crushed candy cane and pour it into your mixture.
And you're going to gently fold it in, making sure not to overmix.
I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas.
So you're going to take your muffin tin and fill them with your cupcake liners.
And then with a spoon, you're going to fill your cupcake liners 2/3 fully full with your batter.
Everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe is hung where you can see.
Now we're going to put our cupcakes into the oven for 18 minutes.
And while those are baking, we're going to move on to our next recipe.
Now we're going to be using the same method that we used earlier for our cupcakes to melt the butter and chocolate together. So we're going to put a tablespoon of butter in each one of our pots. And then I'm going to be mixing together dark chocolate and milk chocolate.
And I'm going to be mixing just white chocolate chips. Now that our butter's all melted, we're going to add our chocolate to the bowl.
And it is important that you continuously stir your chocolate so that it doesn't burn. So now we have added our white chocolate to our pan, and now we're going to add the dark chocolate and milk chocolate and try to swirl it to make a marble effect.
Oh, the mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you.
Now that our muffins are finished, we're going to make sure that they're fully cooked by poking them with a fork and making sure it comes out clean. Yep. I think they're done. So now we're going to leave them out to cool.
And now we're going to take a handful of almonds and do a rough chop with them.
And while Ashley's chopping the almonds, I'm going to be adding some cranberries to our bark.
I
want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish.
Now that our cupcakes are cooling, we're going to make our frosting. And we're going to add butter into a medium-sized bowl and beat it until it's smooth and creamy on medium speed.
Now that our butter is all creamed, we're going to add our powdered sugar and our cream and vanilla extract, and then beat for 3 minutes on high.
And now we're going to put our finished icing into the piping bag. And now we're going to start decorating our cupcakes. Our finished iced and decorated cupcakes.
And we've let our art cool in the freezer, and we've also packaged it in little bags that you can give to your friends.
And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Happy holidays!
Bon appetit! Today we're going to be...
Alright, we got some bloopers.
Now a special thanks to our camera crew.
Hello.
Hi. Your butter to the pot. Just cut that
We can cut that. We can keep the first half.
Yeah.
So, is it stopped?
So you're gonna add your butter to the bowl. Okay. So you want to make sure not to overmix the butter. You want to make sure.
All right. So you put water in a pot and bring it to a boil, and then.
Oh shit.
Yeah, now it will. I don't know.
I think this is actually going really well. I think this is actually going really
Yeah,
well.
nothing like isn't working.
Oh, and then we also have to get butter milk out.
Oh yeah.